Hello guys, today we are going to unbox Dyson V8 Animal Vacuum Cleaner. So we have now finished opening the box and let's see what is included inside the box. So we are going to use our vacuum now, and we need to make sure that the vacuum is fully charged. So there is an indicator here that shows if it's fully charged. Assembling of this vacuum is very easy, just a click everywhere. Now our vacuum is fully charged, so let's go and test it out. This vacuum cleaner is pretty impressive. It's got another option to have the max suction as well, which takes a lot of dirt in. So this is the video overview of Dyson V8 Animal Vacuum Cleaner. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.